Hey there, it's David Chinelli here.
And Ariana Kermick.
We're realtors with Royal LePage Signature. And today, where are we?
We're in Etobicoke once again.
Back in South Etobicoke. And we're back again at this amazing street on Edgecroft. Why are we here?
We want to show you a beautiful home.
This great turnkey home, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's fully updated. It's got a pool, low maintenance. Oh my God, there's so many cool things. I just can't wait to show you. So why are we out here?
Let's take a look.
Let's go, let's go.
Check out this gorgeous main floor. It's an open concept space, 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors throughout. You have a dining area and even your own private office space in the front. Let's meet Dave in the kitchen.
So check out this open concept kitchen / living room area. Although the home was built in about 2011, this kitchen was just recently updated, in about 2017 to be exact. And this kitchen has it all the bells and whistles, including storage underneath the quartz countertops, which are waterfall. You have this Bertazzoni 36-inch gas range. You even have this amazing farmer sink. It was a Kohler farmer sink. It's cast iron. I know. Why am I talking about a sink? Because it's that amazing. We also have a Miele dishwasher and a Thermador integrated fridge. Now, I could talk about the appliances, all those amazing things, but my favorite part of this kitchen, believe it or not, is right here. It's called an appliance garage, and in it, there is, ta-da, an espresso bar. Have a great espresso, enjoy your morning cup of coffee while you're reading the paper, and then when you're done, just close it right back up, shut it down. No mess, no fuss. Enjoy the rest of the main floor. I know you're gonna love it, and meet me upstairs. Now we're in the upstairs. The upstairs features hardwood floors throughout. You have 3 really good sized bedrooms, including this primary bedroom. This primary bedroom obviously fits a king size bed, has a walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite. The 4-piece has a soaker tub and a glass shower. Finish the rest of the tour upstairs, and then Ariana is gonna meet you downstairs.
in the home. As you can see, the homeowner turned this area into a gym space. Now the floor is rubberized right now, but if you were to remove the rubber, say you want to have a family room down here, you would see that underneath is vinyl plank and under that is dry core. What that means is the floor in this basement actually stays warm all year round. When I'm down here, it doesn't even feel like a basement because you have high ceilings. You can even fit a whole squat rack down here and have room to move overhead. There's an extra room down here, so if you needed another bedroom or just more storage space, you do have that. And there's also a 3-piece bathroom. Let's meet Dave in the backyard.
Alrighty, you checked out Ariana's favorite part of this house. Now check out my favorite part of this house. Check out this backyard. Hey Ariana. So yeah, you love your spot? Look at this.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
Fenced in backyard. We're standing on about an 800 to 900 square foot composite deck. Never have to do any maintenance on this composite deck, which I absolutely love. It's great for entertaining. Yeah, you can entertain inside, but why entertain inside when you can entertain right out here? And check it out. Did we also mention there's a saltwater pool right behind me? It's great. Again, entertaining, parties. You see where I'm going with this? Also, you have this amazing, I keep saying amazing because there's no other words I can use to describe this house, but there is an amazing cabana. And you can put a TV right up there. It already has the bracket with a heater in there. So, oh, and also there's a drink fridge. So you can have a cocktail.
It's important.
Having a cigar, maybe watch the kids in the pool. And if you don't want to enjoy the pool area or that area, come right back up here and
Looks like there's a fire pit here.
yeah, have a cocktail up here. You throw on the fireplace, maybe roast some marshmallows and enjoy the outdoors. This house is COVID friendly. It is party friendly. It's an entertainer's dream. I absolutely love it. I think you will love it too. And if you love it as much as we do, I think you should call at least one of us. If you want, you can call me or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dchanelli@royallepage.ca or
You can text or call me at 289-244-8648 or email me at ariana@royallepage.ca.
regardless, if you love it, we think you should call at least one of us as soon as possible because this house won't last long. See you soon.
See ya.